Good morning everyone. Today we have a fun and exciting math challenge for you. Have you ever played a word search before? Well, this is a little different. It is a math search puzzle. In this puzzle, you will see a list of multiplication problems on this left. Your job is to solve each one and then find the correct answer hidden in the number grid. The numbers can go in different directions, up, down, left, right, or even diagonal. Let's do the first one together. What is 10 by 5 equal what?
15.
Excellent, great. Now let's find the number 10 in the grid. Once you find it, circle or highlight it. Now it is your turn to solve and find the rest.
Find 8 by 5 equal 14. Five by 3 equal 15. Two by 5 equal 10. Four by 5 equal 20. Five by 11 equal 55. Seven by 5 equal 35. Five by 5 equal 25. Six by 5 equal 13. Five by 9 equal 45. Five by 1 equal 5. Twelve by 5 equals 60. Bye bye.